everyone, it's松灵 here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a curried chicken apricot salad. The weather has been getting really nice and summer is approaching, so I thought this would be a perfect time to share with you one of my favorite salad recipes. As always, you can find the list of ingredients and amount in the description box below. And let's start by toasting some almonds. Place them in a pan without oil and toast on low heat until they become fragrant and golden. The addition of nuts will give your salad both that nutty flavor and the crunchy texture. But for those of you with nut allergies, feel free to skip this. Next, the dressing. In a bowl, mix together Greek yogurt, mayo, curry powder, turmeric powder, and then add the juice of 1 lime. Also, this would be the time to add the honey that I forgot to. Season with some salt and freshly ground black pepper, give it a final mix, and set aside. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces, finely dice 2 celery stalks, 1 shallot, and some dried apricots. Since we are making a salad and there is no heat involved, go crazy and cut them as large or small as you want. Just have fun. Alright, moving on to the parsley. We are using only the leaves for this recipe because the stems have a much stronger flavor, which can be overpowering for our salad. Finely chop the parsley leaves, set those aside, and we are ready to assemble. Add the diced chicken, celery, shallot, raisins, and apricots into a large bowl. Pour the dressing in, give it a quick mix, and then add in the almonds and parsley. I left the nuts and herbs till the end so they can stay crunchy and fresh for longer, but I can't prove that theory, so feel free to dump everything in all at once if you want to. Taste to see if any extra seasonings needed, sprinkle some cayenne pepper on top as a garnish, and enjoy! You can either serve this curried chicken apricot salad on a bed of leafy greens, or toast a slice of bread and make an open sandwich. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!